Aneta Volcano. I'm a singer, songwriter, musician, and a recent YouTuber. Today I'll be showing you how to create your own playlists. There are two ways you can do it. Alright, so one way to create your playlists is to go to your YouTube channel by clicking on your icon, then go to your channel, and then go to Customize channel. Then here you should have a tab called Playlists. Click on that. And then here I've got a few playlists that I've already created. And also YouTube makes some playlists automatically for you. So what you want to do is create new playlist. You click on that. You type in a title, whatever you like. For example, you can have latest videos. I've got already latest videos, so I'm going to write latest videos 2. Create. And then it will take you here. What you can do now is you can edit. You can write a description. So if you click on edit, you can write what this playlist is about. Describe your playlist basically. And then you can go to edit here next to your name, your channel name, and you can go to playlist settings. And here you can do a nice thing. If you go to auto add, you can add a rule. All right. If you add a rule, that will help you your videos to be automatically added to this particular playlist. So you don't have to do it manually. It will just go automatically to this particular playlist. For example, if you've got 3 options here. When you click on that arrow, you've got title contains, description contains, and tag. So for example, if you know that your description is going to contain certain words always in the particular playlist, then you can type it here. For example, if your playlist is about, I don't know, tutorials, right? And you're going to post videos that will have a title such as how to, right? So you can, for example, write in the title, you can type in how to. That could be your one rule. Then you can add another rule. You can add maybe tutorial. If you're sure that your title is going to contain a word tutorial, then you can add that too. You can add another rule. You can do something with the tag. You can, if you know, for example, that your description is going to contain a word such as, I don't know, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and so on. You add it here as well. So you basically add the rule. So then your videos can be automatically saved in this playlist. And then hit save. Save. Done. Okay, so I've got that. And then what you want to do here is add videos. So once you've done with creating your rules, you can go to add videos. And you can look for your videos on YouTube. So you know the title of your video. Recently I made a video how to make thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails. And I will type my name, so it will help with the search. It will come up here straight away. So I've got my video, how to make YouTube thumbnails tutorial. I highlighted, add videos, and then I've got this video in my playlist. So that's one way. Another way of creating playlists is, let's go back to YouTube. Back to YouTube. Click on your picture again, your channel. And you can go to YouTube Studio Beta. If you go there, then you have to go to videos. on the left, and then you've got your videos here. If you check this box, for example, you want to pick this video, then you've got an option here, add to playlist. And you can add this to an existing playlist already that you've for example, you've created before, or that you see we've got latest videos too. That's the one I've just created now. Or you can create a new playlist if you wanted to, and add a title, visibility, public or private, unlisted, you know, up to you, and then create. So you can do that as well. So yeah, that's pretty easy as well. So you've got two options here. You can pick whichever you want. Either go to customize your channel or go to YouTube Studio Beta. So that's that. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye. Da, da, da.